Did you know 9 expert hikers fled their tent barefoot into a deadly blizzard, preferring to freeze rather than face whatever was inside? February 1st, 1959. 9 experienced Soviet hikers set up camp on Kholat Syakhl mountain in perfect weather. They photographed their dinner, wrote in journals about their successful expedition. Everything seemed normal. 3 weeks later, searchers found their tent slashed open from the inside. All 9 were dead in the snow. Some were nearly naked despite minus 30-degree temperatures. The autopsies revealed horror. One hiker's tongue was missing. Another had severe skull fractures. 2 had radioactive clothing. But the most disturbing evidence was in the snow itself. Footprints showed they ran barefoot into the blizzard in pure panic. Whatever terrified them inside that tent was worse than freezing to death.